The oven that we had over there on the wall, we were thinking about just getting the oven under our stove so we can gain more cabinet space.
Okay. This is actually a great change. By losing those wall ovens, we could scoot the fridge down and build a bigger bank of cabinets around it while still hiding the gas line.
That would definitely flow a lot better with the fridge being more centered.
You guys wanna do that?
Yeah,
For sure.
Let's do it.
Okay, well, that's
it.
great news. I'll let Mike know about that. And now we can get to the fun stuff.
Yes.
Design. David, do you mind moving that table to the middle?
Absolutely.
Since they're struggling to blend their styles, I brought a few more options than I normally would to make sure that we get everyone on the same page. So we'll start with like the most basic one, white shaker. Then we have a light gray.
Okay.
Okay, we could go blue. And then we have a whitewashed oak. Showing materials to homeowners can go one of two ways. Either they're super excited or they get really quiet. When this happens, I just keep explaining what I'm thinking. That way they have time to process everything. With all these, we could play around with them. You could do like white uppers and gray lowers. You could do white uppers, wood lowers. What are you guys thinking?
I don't like this.
I like that one. If you blend them together, the modern rustic, I think it looks really, really good. How good that looks. Mm-mm. You don't like that?
No.
Okay.
Let's play around with backsplash and counters.
Okay.
This is a quartz marble with a nice veining.
Love that.
Yeah, it looks really good.
We have pull handles,
Okay.
brush brass,
I think we really like the brush brass.
I like it.
Yeah.
and then we have a backsplash.
Ooh.
The backsplash has a modern geometric pattern that she will like, but it's in a natural marble texture that he will love. The countertop is clean and modern for her, but still has stone veining for him.
I mean, I actually like the backsplash on that.
Oh, I do too.
I mean, it's definitely modern, but it has a rustic kind of design.
I really like the countertops. I like the backsplash. I like the two-tone. I can go with white uppers and the blue or white with the gray. What do you think, honey?
I mean, if we did like this,
No.
this, no? Okay. This, maybe?
No.
Just the blue?
Just, no.
Okay.
This looks good on both.
I mean, I'll be honest, I like the blue a little bit better. And then this gray, I just think that it brings some contrast.
I love the blue. I think the blue cabinets and that backsplash will really complement each other. Even though what they decided leans more towards her modern look, I have an idea that'll bring in more of his style. I want to make sure they're both happy. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're making progress.
Yes.
All right.
Thank
Let's
you.
do it.
I know we were talking about this room and how there's this dead space and obviously there's no furniture in here.
Yep.
So what I was thinking is, I know you guys are big wine lovers, your parents own a winery. What if we create like a cool wine room?
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, that would be great.
I noticed you have like a wine cooler under the stairs right here.
Yes, we do have that there.
Okay. To create this bar area, we can move the wine fridge they already have, but I think we're gonna need a second one. And
Okay.
then we can create some shelving around it, so some lowers, and then we can do some nice floating shelves above it.
Yeah, I think it would look great.
I like the floating shelf idea.
I like
Some
it.
wine on display, some cups, make it real cute.
We like it.
Okay, so we could go with white lowers, or we could bring back the rustic vibe that David loves,
that's
and
back.
we could go with the
Back.
whitewash.
I like it. It's a centerpiece, and I think, you know, with the wine, we kind of talked about how timeless it is.
You
Like
want all of it with the
I mean, we can.
rustic?
I think we can put a rustic feel to it because it's wine, it's timeless. I mean, think about it. The kitchen's really modern, right? So I think if we can go a little bit more rustic on the wine part, please.
I mean, I know he really loves that. I can compromise.
Thanks, babe. You're the best.
Let's do it.
This wine bar is gonna look amazing. You'll see. And then you'll want more rustic throughout the entire house.
Unlikely.
I want to create a seating area next to the bar, so I'm taking them to a home store in Newport Beach that I love. I have a few pieces in mind to show them, including a few from my own furniture line. Okay, so I want you to try these.
These are really, really nice.
I see something that, David, you might really like.
Yeah, I did have my eye on something. Look at this. Take a look at this.
It's definitely a conversation piece. That is not mine.
Let me just see how it feels.
I'm
Oh, this
just
is not
gonna-
bad. You gotta
There's
sit
no
in
way
this.
you're gonna tell me that is more
You have to
comfortable
sit
than this.
When you see
There's
the
just
way
no
this
way.
hand grips your butt, this is nice. Just sit in
try
it. Just
this.
take a look at it.
It's fascinating.
Oh,
You like it? Like it? You don't like this?
honey, that's so hard.
Listen, the world is
Come
in your
check
hands.
these out.
Yeah, I like
Oh,
this.
these are comfortable.
I like this. They match the
Yeah,
cabinets.
they're rustic.
You
And I
know.
like that they're big because it's a big space.
big.
So 4 of them will fill that space really nicely.
I want to order them
think-
now,
Now.
right now.
Right now.
You want the hand too?
I would like the hand too.
That's only
Oh,
$1,000.
gosh.
If we get a 5-finger
No.
discount, I'll take it.
Hey guys, that's like a computer.
It is a computer. So me being the guy that I am, of course, I pre-programmed it. If you want to take a recording of the food that you're cooking, you can actually change the camera and it will show you the food that you're cooking at the time. You can take a picture of that and you can upload it to your favorite social
I'll
media.
call Christina while I'm cooking a new recipe and say, look, check this out.
Okay, so if you want to check something out, I'll give
Pretty
you
cool
some.
if you want to teach people how to
Let's
cook.
check this out. There we go. So now you can see all the cameras that we have in the house. You see the kids' room, you can see the front door. We can turn the lights on and off.
Oh, okay.
Straight from here.
Yep,
So we can-
that's cool. But I have to come here to turn off the lights. I could just turn off the lights.
This
Okay,
is
just-
one of many. Okay? They're laughing now, but I'm just a trendsetter. I'm telling you, soon enough, everyone will have one.
Well, we're almost done, believe it or
Yes.
not. If you guys don't mind, I'm gonna ask that you guys stay out of this side of the house. James and I are gonna work on all the finishing touches and I want it to be a surprise next time we see it.
We will stay out.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay. With so much to do, James and I are playing Divide and Conquer. He's down in La Jolla working on Brian's house, and I'm putting the final touches on David and Odette's kitchen. You guys have been living in the bonus room and cooking up there and not being able to enjoy any of your downstairs. It's a huge transformation. How are you guys feeling?
We are very, very excited.
Let's do it.
All right, I won't make you wait any longer. Here you go.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It looks much better when it's all come together. It's not as rustic as I, was scared of.
It's a
So
modern,
I
modern
think it came
rustic.
together.
That's what they said.
Yeah, and all the touches are really nice, and it came together very well.
Because before you had that little wine station under the stairs.
Yes.
And now you have a whole zone.
We have so much space. We need to get more wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. The backsplash. Wow.
So pretty. And the
Yeah,
blue
this
just
works.
brings out all the colors. And I love that we did the backsplash around the windows. It draws your eye up.
The contrast just looks great. Like the small details, like the gold trimming on the backsplash, just give it just such a
Yes.
different look and feel. This is amazing.
I'm so glad we went with the brass hardware. I feel like that really adds pop too.
Not having the island in the middle, it looks 10 times bigger.
Look at all the space that we have.
Just bringing it out that much with the peninsula, it makes it feel like it's twice as big.
It was 100% the best call to get rid of our old fridge and get a new fridge that was countered that.
Definitely, because our new kitchen now looks seamless.
These rooms just felt super separated.
Yes.
Yes.
And now it feels just like one big entertaining area.
And I love how we have bar stools here. This is something we did not have before.
Totally. It
So
has the
that's
best flow now.
Fantastic.
Are you guys excited to have your house back?
Yes.
That is, yeah, that's an understatement.
This is my dream kitchen.
I'm so glad you guys are happy and love it. And it was so much fun working with you guys.
We could have not done any of this without you. Worth the wait. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad you love it.